and welcome to another episode in Crypto Trading, where we demystify the world of cryptocurrency trading. If you're new to the crypto space and want to learn the basics of trading, you have come to the right place. We'll cover everything from the basic setup and understanding of charts and how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies to develop a winning trading strategy. So sit back and get ready to join us on this exciting journey to become a successful crypto trader. Okay, in today's video, we are going to cover the following. Introduction into TradingView, setting up an account, navigating the platform, getting started and creating charts, basic chart setup and saving layouts. Let's go. What is TradingView? TradingView is a cloud-based platform that provides advanced charting and analysis tools for financial markets. With TradingView, you can access real-time market data, create custom charts, and collaborate with others to make informed trading decisions. Okay, how to get started? Jump on tradingview.com and sign up for a free account. I will also include below the video the link to TradingView to make it easier to find. There are different accounts: free, pro, pro plus, and premium. The free plan is a basic plan with limited features, while the pro plan offers advanced features for more serious traders. The Pro Plus plan has even more advanced features, and the premium plan is designed for professional traders with the highest level of features. Each plan varies from the exact features offered. For now, the free account is enough to get you started. So let's jump directly into TradingView to show you the basics. Okay, welcome to the TradingView chart platform. Once you manage to sign in with your free account, that's generally how it looks at the startup page. I'll talk you through the basic settings and what we covered today. Over here, that's just your account login and details, where you find your account details. This one is the symbol on what you're currently working off. Currently it's on the Apple stock. Here is the time frame of the chart you're on. Here you can select different charting candles. I always keep mine to the basic setting as it comes standardized. Different indicators to add to the chart, which we'll cover in a bit. This one is just to save templates. There's a feature of putting alert functions in. We won't talk about this today. That's something for the future, but this will just assist that you don't have to constantly sit in front of your computer and monitor the markets. If there's any important moves, you can set it up and it sends you alerts. This feature allows you to save certain functions. That's some settings, and here that's pretty much the list of different stocks. As I said, TradingView covers thousands of different markets, stocks, indices, obviously cryptocurrencies, the one we're interested in. This is alert features. There's some other features we probably don't need today, or more like the community features to post things, share ideas, etc., which is really, really great. Advertising popping up because we're on the free account. We see the time frame here. Automatically, as you see, these colorful green and red bars at the bottom. That's the volume indicator, indicating how much volume is traded. You can switch that on and off, but always keep the volumes on. I would recommend that one. That just helps by determining any breakouts in the charts based on the volume. Time frame at the bottom. This feature here, you can pretty much select how far back you want to go with your charts displayed on your screen. I always have that set on all. There's no reason we should cut that back. Some additional features at the bottom, which we're not really covering today. The spec testers, stock screeners, etc. As I said, TradingView has hundreds of features to use. And on the left side here, that's some basic pattern layouts, which we can draw chart patterns, which is also very, very helpful. As you see here, we can draw chart patterns. So as we probably start to set it up is on the watch list to set up your preferred currencies. So I'll start with Bitcoin. So you can, anything you don't need, do not confuse yourself. You can just delete them off. But we got below there is cryptocurrency set up. So we just click on, that's Bitcoin against US dollar. And it will come up here. So you can see now Bitcoin versus US dollar on the 4-hour chart. And that's the exchange which this chart is from. That allows as well to jump on different exchanges. That's Bitcoin versus USDT. On the Binance, probably my favorite one. If you want to highlight that one, you can red flag that icon. That will help for easier finding and sorting. So you can sort the function. If you're regularly coming back, that will make it easier, especially when you have several charts set up. That's important. Then in regards to the time frame, when you're starting up, the time frame is very important. I wouldn't recommend to go in time frames less than 4 hours. We got scalping traders which usually operate probably 1 hour, 45, 30 minutes time frame or less. From our end, there's usually a daily chart or weekly chart. I would recommend leave it on the 4-hour chart, which when you're simulating trading patterns, it's easier to practice and spot any changes on it. Now, the next thing what we need is some indicators to start up. It's an empty chart layout. So indicators, you go in here, click indicators. My personal one is I usually like to work with the RSI. So we type in RSI, the relative strength index. Click here. You can also highlight the star. That means you can shortlist your favorites. Click on it. Advertising again, and you can see the RSI indicator pops up underneath. My other favorite one, which I like to use, is the MACD. You type in MACD and click on it again. There's obviously heaps of other indicators in there. Always pick the simple and plain one. There you go. So now to make sure your chart layout is saved, recommend save layout. That means it's now unnamed saved. You can rename that one, call it standard 4 hours, and hit save. And you see here that saved. That means if you shut down a computer or log in from a different computer, you don't have to start from scratch. Everything what you put in here is pretty much saved and recorded. That's pretty much it. And if we look at that one at the moment, so as we know, I haven't talked much about charting patterns, but as you see here, the market was going up 17th, 18th. But as you see here, the RSI, there is a divergence happening. You see here, there is a high. The RSI topped out simultaneously as well. The MACD topped out here. The market was going sideways, continued to go up, but the RSI printed a lower high. That means we have a divergence here. Price is going up, RSI is going down, MACD is going down. That indicates us there is a change in the market coming. As you see here, it was still going up, while the RSI was printing lower highs. And finally ended up Thursday, Friday, starting to drop off quite a bit. So I guess this week we'll be waiting on for the RSI to break that support line again. At the same time, the MACD, hopefully finding support. As you see here, there is a support hanging at about 21,600. So I'm hoping that it bounces off here, but I guess we'll have to monitor to see where that's going. That was pretty much what I wanted to cover today. I want to keep it short and sweet. But any more questions, please let me know and post it into our chat. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for tuning into this video. To quickly summarize on what we covered today: introduction into TradingView, how to set up an account, overview on navigation and setting up of basic charts, how to save our settings. Thanks so much for watching. And if you like the video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our future videos. We have some exciting content lined up for the next week, which include additional tools I would recommend to get and use in my trading, built on our chart setup from this week. So make sure you stay tuned and don't miss it. In the meantime, leave your thoughts and comments below. We always love hearing from you. See you in the next one. Bye.